In every warrior's life, there comes a moment when noise becomes the enemy. Not the noise outside, but the noise within. And there is only one place where that enemy can be confronted: silence. Most men run from silence. They fear what rises when the world finally stops speaking. They fear the truths they've buried, the doubts they've ignored, the battles they've postponed. But a warrior, a true warrior, steps into silence with intention, because he understands a sacred truth. Silence is not empty. Silence is a forge. It is where the mind sharpens, where the spirit resets, where the body remembers its purpose, where the warrior meets himself without distraction, without noise, without escape. In silence, the warrior sees his weaknesses clearly, not to judge them, but to strengthen them. He sees his fears honestly, not to flee from them, but to face them. He sees his path without distortion, not the path others demand, but the path he was born to walk. Stillness is not the absence of movement. Stillness is the presence of mastery. It is the breath before the strike, the calm before the storm, the clarity before the decision. This is why the ancient masters sent their students into the mountains, not to hide from the world, but to hear themselves again, to strip away the noise, to rediscover their purpose, to return sharper, stronger, unshakable. So today, sit with yourself, even for a moment. Let the noise fall away. Let the mind settle. Let the spirit speak. Because the world does not shape the warrior. Silence does. And when you rise from that silence, you will not be the same man who entered it. Because in every warrior's life, there comes a moment when noise becomes the enemy. And only the one who can sit alone will ever learn how to defeat it.